Hello friends, Supratic Trust presents Lobo series and I'm your friend Bikash with the 21st episode of the story. Friends, in the previous episode, we saw Nisha explaining each of the food items. After talking for a while, one of Pratik's friends said, "The aroma of the food is so enchanting. I'm feeling so hungry. Let's start eating." Pratik and Nisha were aware that the Japanese value and enjoy the presentation of the food along with the taste of the food. So they carefully placed the food on the kotatsu. Plate glass, tissue paper, and coke were also arranged carefully on the table. After checking everything, they both came and sat amongst the guests. Everyone looked at the food placed on the kotatsu with surprise and praised it. Some of them said, "Ooishi desu ne." It means it looks so tasty. It is a Japanese tradition to say this before eating. One senior member gave a small speech thanking the new Indian couple and wished them all the happiness. After this, they folded their hands, bowed their heads, and said, "Itadakimasu." Itadakimasu means I accept it. There is a great sense of gratitude expressed in these words. When asked whether it was a prayer to God or not, the answer was ambiguous. Maybe to Okami-sama or God, or to the earth, or the farmer, or the cook, or even the food. The most important thing is gratitude. Gratitude is a great positive attitude in life. They started eating slowly. Indian food shops in Japan usually serve North Indian food. They had never tasted this type of Bengali food before. Everyone was in all praise for Nisha. Nisha added, this was not possible without the active help of Pratik. One of the friends said, "In a few days, there will be summer festival in Nagoya. We can help you and you can open a Bengali Indian food stall, which will be a great hit. I'm sure Japanese people will love it and appreciate you." I'll stop here. We'll tell you what happened in the next episode. Stay tuned with us